There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a
Hello everybody, yo imkomo. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Triple A, Afia Anita Azanya, and I'm back with yet another lit video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Triple A. If you don't know, now you know, so subscribe. Because if you're not subscribing, what are you doing? Stop. Subscribe. So yeah, guys, today, as you can see by the title of this video, this bag is irritating me. As you can see by the title of this video, I don't know what the title is right. I don't know what's in, but we are going to support our champions. Yeah, learners from Richmond Secondary who participate in soccer, who participate in sports. Yeah, we are gonna support them. Yeah, and I think this will be my first time going to a match as a school in. Yeah, and this thing will be taking place in Bangladesh. Hi. Yeah, it'll be taking place in Bangladesh. Hi. So I'm gonna meet up with some Charlie because in Hambanaya, I'm coming it. So and why not see late? My gang is see late. It's 10 to 11. The game started and go okay. The gates opened go 8. So go 10 to 11. So phela vele phela akudlali thina nyabo so bengezifika kanye nabantu abadlalayo. So ke mara I texted somebody, and they told me ukuthi besaba yo besadlala igame yokuqala. Bebedlala igame yokuqala. So basadlala amagame awu4 nango Saturday futhi nango Sunday yini. Yeah. And this is for one big peloton because we have to rest. We have school next week, the following week, which I'm 11 July. Yeah, we need to rest. So yeah, yeah. Ngizonithinta uma sengino Andis. Oh, while we wait for Andis, khona a few boys from school bathena ngibafaka vlog yami on a day whereby ngingavlog khona. So we will just give them a minute. Yeah, let's give them a minute.
Dan bafethu asibuye esikoleni njengamanje. Hamba noafika lana usesama vlog abo. Namhlanje hamba na so ngikade ngigijima bafethu yo. Azani ngisuke esikoleni.
Maphoqa bleni phama ukuthi kade uhamba nabo phela kade ngami nami.
Kade ngihamba naye.
Hey, cha.
Uthi sesuvela agijima, uyazi ukugijima lesingiyantshela. Oh. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Asbangani. You know who it is, Conquer Boy. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, Conquer Boy at 2023.
How?
Sanibona. Ukhumbuze la le bhodi la. Wenta amantombazane bafethu. Usala.
Yo. Bafutha perfume la.
Vlog. Afika bese ngiyacela bafethu. Ngifuna ukuyibona le video bafethu kuyi-vlog bafethu ngiyacela.
Ngifuna intombi yini?
Ufuna into eyikhona. Anginayo ke mina.
Oh,
Ngishima.
ishaye phela usho phela uthi ufuna intombi.
Bafethu ngifuna intombi bafethu ngihamba ngicinga intombi South Africa yonke bafethu yabo. Ngihlala nje la around yabo eMpangeni. Yes, yabo ngifunda la eRichem. Yes, afika uzongiposta bafethu ku YouTube. Shout out.
Poster.
Khona uzofaka i-vlog kodwa khona lokho. Yes. Afika bese ungifaka phela bese vlog bese.
Hawuya wena. Awungeke ifake ngavlog. Okay, so I didn't know ukuthi basobabela like literally like grounding. But then I've arrived, but then sisazodlula eCentral Park. I've messaged her. Kade ngimfonela. Ngathi bengumzana indlela bengimfonela ngayo. Kade ngimfonela, ngimchecka. Then washo ukuthi sisazodlula eCentral Park to buy snacks. Yeah. Njengoba manje ngilinde yena. Kade ngitshela ukuthi ade phuma manje endlini. Yeah. Oh, ngisazi. Yeah, I bad energy. Yeah, here are the players and stuff like that. I think that's our school, but I'm not sure. I can't even see the players. Yeah. Okay.
It's not our first game actually.
It is my first.
Rugby.
Oh, that was rugby. No, kwangasiyona game leyo thina sasiye.
We were supposed to play.
Sasiyodlala. Okay, we were supposed to play, but then we ended up not playing.
Hello guys. This is me.
Ngiphathe cabanga ilona yami.
Tripod. Look at
Yeah. You see, this is why I need you in my life, because ngicabanga ukuthi angeke ngize ngiyikhiphe.
Hey boss, usemsebenzini la. Uzobatshela abantu usemsebenzini la.
Semsebenzini. But yeah, to keep a tripod. We don't care. There's literally games here. So iyadlala netball.
Yeah, I'm sure iyadlala. I think.
Yasesikoleni. Ngiyayibona netball iyadlala.
Oh, I
Hawu,
don't think so.
ngisho basesikoleni.
I don't.
Oh, okay. Like literally there's tons of games playing, guys. Bugani. Yo, Andy, so yo. No, Ipetek. Oh, okay, Pel, okay.
So guys,
Ngena
I'll tell
ngetag
you
la.
a funny story.
Funny story.
Ngena ngetag la. Hayibo na.
Hlekani, that's the funny story.
Thina sazothi
Ngithi ukuzwa cabanga la.
mawufake uniform.
Yeah, you can okay, I'm over uniform.
Manje basebethi hayibo.
Ngena ngetag. Naba nje lapha ya.
Bathi nje 20 rand.
Amasosha. Shuthi amasosha qashele lokho.
We're just gonna go there and like once it's the same thing I know, but we're
Mese
gonna get surprised.
cause phela sina imali.
Yes. Like
How?
I have 10 rand. Actually no 15 rand mina.
Is why shuthi mina nginawo cash drop.
Let's find out.
On the second vein.
On Dragon Ball Z. Please catch this on camera.
Dragon Ball Z. Oh, okay. Ngicabanga lokho yacabanga. Yeah, ngeke mfana. This is weird. Hey, bo. Yeah. Son, mom. Yeah.
We are a bit confused.
We're a bit confused because it's in a if you're wearing school uniform, it's yes.
But you can't wear uniform with a bucket hat.
Sorry?
You can't wear uniform.
Oh, okay. How it's okay. Ngizol keep but it's just a bucket head. Oh.
Hi, sorry to trouble you.
Angeke.
Are you going to go in full uniform? Are they getting free entry because they were told that they
And,
as
is-
long as they're in uniform they'll be allowed to enter? It's fine. Okay, perfect. Right, thanks.
akukhokheki nje ngekhadi nje ngebhadi
Okay, if you're in full uniform, you may proceed.
Oh, okay.
But we cannot go to that other side.
You can.
But this. Oh, okay.
But say with the tag.
Yeah, we need a tag to enter.
We can't give you a tag for free.
Oh, just for display.
I think maybe with the other gates.
No, it's, no, we can start here. It's fine. Because we've already entered.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
been an hour.
Yes, I've been. She's
I'm vlogging. Hi, how are you? Wanna be in the camera? Wanna be in vlog?
with my man.
Hey. Oh, they want my vlogs. Okay. So vlog again.
So you don't want to introduce yourself?
Oh yeah. Me phone, you say phone.
Ngitsini ke?
Sawubona unjani? What's your name?
Manje sonke lesikhathi ngizongenzana nayo. Sanibona. Introduce there.
Moon. River. Oh yeah. Nazi ngasesikoleni. Yeah. Go Richie.
Hayi.
Kwenzekeni game banisho phela eShon phela. eShon. Stay score.
2-0. Usuwafayile. We won 2-0.
Oh. Make it clean. Oh, 3. Go strike. Yes.
Hello guys.
What's your name?
Lusanda Ndlela.
How come I Lusanda? Oh, okay. Hlekani, ngahlingi. It's okay.
I play as a goalkeeper at gym.
Oh wow.
Wow, keep away to Loda. Yes.
We won our first match. We won 33 points.
Wow.
Yes.
Good boy.
I hope we can win this tournament.
Oh, we will. Yes, I love that enthusiasm. Musanuk balega. Ban, kamala kombe. Kombe bay kamala.
Mngani wami.
Uban uyang ban. Usifisa. Ikamala lona iline yakhe. Oh, spaza. Wozani la? Wozomfishana lo mfana. Sidaba namphela. How? Okay, so we are here, guys. God, look at we're here. Okay.
We changed locations.
We changed the locations. Manje siyabheka ukuthi liphi ground elidlalayo. Elimnandi. We might even go to watch. Might watch ilento le nansi netball. Indaba. Uyangibona? Okay.
Sama vlog.
Ah!
Still day 1, but I see us in day 3. We're in the final. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Oh, Asian police car.
I'll pause.
Asian police car. Nidliwe.
Yes, badly.
That's so simple.
That's why they don't want to answer.
Yeah.
Wongathi sidalela nje imali. Asiyazi nento singabafana bona ngentombazana kodwa
Hello, ma'am. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Manje indaba ye-Brian zoyithini, guys? Can tell you? Fundraising. Oh, sawadlala. How ma'am dlala isikole sethu? How isikole? Hi, Fundraising. How are you, Fundraising? How? Oh, okay. So
Abaphepuli too.
Vuleka mbaba, vuleka. How? Yes. Give a chocolate son. Wow, yay.
Nani ibambe ngesikhathi.
Hayi, ngoba kufike thina ingakho imbobo ivulekile. Ngoba kufike thina.
Man, iwestern ngifuna.
Ubone? Woo! Woo, ladies, yes.
Go, Richie!
Go, Richim. Yes, Richim, yes, Richim. Yes. How? Now, Lana. Say hi to my YouTube channel. How are you?
Comment, subscribe, share,
Yes.
so she can buy a house.
Yes.
It's a nice vlog. And know the vibes.
Kanti uba uthela ukuvela yazini vela wedwa mfethu asibancingile vele ngesif
Yeah, you know
yeah
the vibes.
yeah
It's your classic boy.
yes 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 wo ngithi Versace lena cisha sithi Versace
What are you buying?
I'm inquiring car. Say hi to my vlog. It's a hi to my vlog. Okay, your phone? Alright. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
How are you? What's your name?
My name is Andi Sunjari,
Okay. Yes.
but you can call me Chicks.
Well, that's how we recess. Yes.
We are making money, we are sleeping.
Go, Richie. Besides, I am them. Is that in bed? God, that's for him. What is that exploded skull?
Oh, you do Afrikaans?
No. 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 No.
Did you get here now?
No, and this one, no. How? There's also ask us to support the Look at me, at Ryan. Yes. Woo! Nangu Jinda. Say hi, Jinda. Hi. Woo! She was handling. Oh, bayayazi lento abayenzayo. Yes. Okay. Oh, bagitu Fat Ryan. Gusto ko malibo ka. Yes! Bayitse mayo tapela alisoto sije wena. Oh, badala bonke laba. Yes! No, got to no. Oh, no, kunini score mele sibe no kunini nathi score mase sibanike ithuba. Seliphelile ithuba bagenge. Dish baba. Ayaya. Woo! Izinto zakhona nje. Izinto zakhona, yes. Ukora. Kade bekorile Andi Somtshali. Wow. Hayi wena. Ah wena na. I'll buy you a car. Aish. Wow. Yes. Ish baba ngithanda indlela yabo that. Chicken man. Oh. Okay, don't worry. Wow. Yes. 60. 960. It's 9. Go Richie, yes. Straight pads. Yes. Issue. I got to half time netball. Aish. Washa. Yes, uyakhumbula amazwi ami, you'll take me later. Amazwi omkhulu. You'll take me later. Ujabulisa isikwa. High five! Yes!
We can't talk. Oh my days.
Let's take a picture. Take a picture. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Ah, two. Ngishothe. Hello. Yes. 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 Ishu. Yes. Ay ay ay.
No.
Oh.
Bye.
Ay ay ay. Hamba uthatha inamba. Hamba uthatha inamba. Hamba uthatha inamba. Hamba uthatha inamba lapha yakhe intombazane. Ay ay ay. Hello. Ishu. What's happened? Ay. Ufuna inamba. Oh, shame. Sorry. That was good. That was good. It was so good. Yes.
Efforts.
Yes. Follow. Go subscribe to my YouTube
Go
channel.
to my YouTube channel. You're gonna see yourself over here.
Yeah.
I'll
Afika
tag you.
Phahla. AFIKA. Afika Phahla. Ish.
Oh,
no.
come.
Oh, okay. What did you do, Nani?
So nice. You know, I finally found a friend.
Mina.
No, like we're friends.
Mina.
We're friends.
Ungichisela phambi kwamandiswa.
Say 3 now. We have to say 3.
Oh. Khona into outsider god. We trio. Une crash. Ikhona indawo yokudlula lapha. There's literally a place to dlula over there. Yabo wena une crash wena usho usabukusho nje wena. Usabukusho nje wena. Sikhoma sakho. Sikhoma sami. Sikhoma sami. Straightly YouTube name yami. Bye. No, bye. Seku-right phela manje. No, seku-right angeke. Like a loss. Oh, Lona, she wants to be a butterfly. No, akuhleki sibakithi uqinisile, serious. Musana ngumhlaba nganami. Musana ukuhleka ama-dreams ami nganami. Hawe, ufuna uba i-butterfly. Me and this. Oh. Yeah.
You know this one, me.
Yeah. Semsebenzini.
Kuyenzeka kodwa.
Yeah, hawu kakhulu kuyenzeka kakhulu. Hawu.
Ngala kakhulu ngitsawu. Yenzeka nje.
Yeah, vele.
Kodwa ke kuyaphusheka esikoleni.
Ish cha akuphushe kushame khona term 2 akuphushe kushame asuqama mami.
Nikiphi field? Science.
No, sisikuyi soccer field. Lengane. Oh yeah, commerce. Chasing after our egg. Hi, who are you? Unjani?
Guys, ngifake uniform.
But just go uniform. Uniform ish baba ngathi nje we got this one. Oh so thenga bro. Oh kodwa imali ikhona? Ikhona. How?
Uzothi mangewesi. It's not that heavy.
Asambeni phela.
Where?
Siyalapha ya like there.
Sikhona nespace sokuhlala.
Nje.
Phansi on the ground.
Awuyazi uyadlala lo. Right. Asibazi nje sihlala nabantu esingabazi.
Usho lapha yashopela ground.
Oh, okay. Okay. Manje siqala sibazumini, sibazumini sibone ukuthi
Yebo.
ship ekunuke khona sizohamba.
Angiqonda nasiqinisile lokho.
No.
Ngikhuluma kuzwakala.
Oh. Mala Oh, nilaba labaya. Oh, ilaba.
Ngenza imove.
Wow.
Ngiyabona ngamafoto asabona ngesigqoko.
Wow. Amahlangu. Nidlalaphi? Semgaqweni. How is it going? How is it going?
How? I was not expecting that.
How is it bad? What's the score?
First one.
Sure.
But it
Unedrama mfana. Yeah, wena sowazi. Kumele ngiwabhala.
match is
1-4 or 4-1.
Oh, just besho bona usenze bayalose.
Ushilton. Usenze bakephi?
Ngicina overhamba engasesection. Bese ukuthi ile yesibili.
What?
I think it's 2-0.
Oh, 2-0. Oh,
Baphumile nje other players. Laba fan beza ngapha.
Thina sinama rules.
how?
Not talking.
How? No talking. No.
Talking kanjani manje?
Indaba kaVukani. How? That's a
Oh.
ngamanje angithi coach uyabona bengadikila yena angithi imali ubuya busy. So uthuto ke nje coach namasiko.
Marake. Kesambeni ngiyayifana. Imayifana mama sorry.
Kumanzi laphana avela avuleka.
Sorry asambeni.
Let me get ready. Here's my
For the sensational.
phone.
Dangi bawo. Dangi
Langa
bawo.
ngithinte.
Nangapana ngifike esikoleni. Dangi bawo. Dangi bawo. Dadala phat afika. Bese ningaya phela. Angithi ngifuna ukwenza yini?
Bache kutshwala.
Nay real deal guys. Sesivunyeliwe lapha. The reason why we are here. Khona uthisha bezosibona ukuthi hawunako. Ubona? Obani?
Ngibona ikhanda la Rodel.
Oh, nangilona. Oh yes guys, yes. Yes.
Yes, babe.
Do it for the camera. Oh, my. So trend apana. Nayi Rich Ham.
Punya laphana.
Anginendaba naye. Woo, Richie, yes. How nang no Mr. Mthemkhulu. Bonke nje they came through bakithi. Awusamazi
I
Mthemkhulu.
know, but move.
Na lapha bahleli lapha yami.
Bayaluza nabenzani lapha.
Sina sifike nawe la sis. Asiphaphela yazi. Nangu ozobona Andiswa. Na. Yabona nangu Mthemkhulu lapha. Nangu Mthemkhulu.
Oh, okay.
Na abanye.
Ngiyambona imizi esikhakhana.
Hawu nangu Bong. Hawu nangu Sekhuskhuzi.
Hawu nangimalume.
Hawu nangu malume. Hawu nangu malume lele. Nangu Sekhuskhuzi nangu ayibo. Nangu Mr. Khuskhuz lapha ya umile. Mr. Ngumela. Nangu Andiswa ish mubi. Nangu yabo. Nangu.
Oh, all black remember?
Yeah, all black. Hello sir. Kade sifikile la.
Kade sifikile.
Oh, ubuza uzike ukuthi akadlali ngani. Ish. Yes. A glist. Oh, sifikile la kwathi kumele singene tag. Abang, thina sinemali ye tag, thina sazothi mofike ngeuniform ngena for free.
Yeah.
Hawu.
Thina sibatshelile
Sibatshelile nesiqale sasiqala ngale. I-netball. Hayi amantombazane shem. Yes, 9-6 cabang. Yes, kakhulu. At least khona kulungayo la kuyalunga. Hawu, kade sitshela uMahlangu.
Let's take Here's an ad break, guys. An ad break from all this business. An ad break. Nali break. Yeah, let's just take a moment to appreciate the clouds. Thank you. Super leg break. Like that. I'm scared. But yeah. Oh, yeah, so shall I ball? Oh. Sadlule emumva kwe la bashaya khona igoli. Yazi bengaqondile bathi bajizwa ngawe. Andizikhathi. Cela sidlule emumva kwegoli. Bazoshaya ibhola lapha. Exactly. I'm feeling as my hands are not stable.
You are not stable. Your whole self is not stable.
Hey, Mo!
I didn't say that, man.
How? Sometimes in life. Cut that.
Hi guys, we are here. Yes. No. Oh, come on. At least that's good. That's very hectic. That's good. That's very good.
Yeah. The boys are pushing the car.
Ngithi mina kumele ngivele dala ngangibuke.
Niyazi kuthiwani? Thungale.
Wezi shothi ngivele ngizoyibuka namhlanje. Wezi shothi ngivele.
Nakho nje yavela.
Cha phela ngeke enzo sazokhatha.
Uyaphila. Ay nangona.
Ngiyangibingelela.
Awukhomba usafunda esikoleni zonakeni.
Hawu namanga.
Awunangithaba. Uthi uyangibuka phela ngene. Wasifaka walahlula. Unamanga, ufuna ukuphumula, unamanga. Why would you say that? Baba uhleze esho njalo. Oh, what's the scores? Wait, come on, scores. No. Oh, it's fine. What's in my scores? Actually, wait. As I wanted to do this today and I forgot. I'm going to pretend as if my phone is the mic. They don't know that it's not working, but just please speak loud enough for them to hear you. So they can trap it. By the way,
Yeah.
Akubuzanga.
How we should be able to
So, can you please explain to us what is happening here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ama-team sheets lawo.
Yeah.
Ngithwasithwada bang.
Kodwa yonke into lana eyenzakala kwi-match.
Yeah.
And then okwamanje sawuninile score. Kwakwenzeki lutho nje.
Oh, okay. So you're just chilling.
Yawamanje sachilile.
Okay, so let's not disturb you because I understand that you have to be
Vigilant.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Ay, sabona abantu bakithi. Awunangumem. Uyaphapha. Thulakele la yabo. Thulakele.
So we have Miss Mzimela here. I'm just gonna ask her how she feels. Why did she come so late? Yeah. So just gonna ask her why she came so late, like what's going on. So Miss Mzimela, how do you feel about today's?
You guys please don't ask me that. I know nothing about soccer.
Me too.
I don't know. It's just.
How do you feel? We're asking your feelings.
Oh, I don't feel anything.
So are you gonna be here tomorrow?
I think so. Just to see people.
That's what we're here for.
Just
Yeah.
to be outside the house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Other than that, no, I don't even know what they're doing.
Just kicking the ball and stuff. Yeah.
By the way, the ball and doing what?
Pearl.
By the way,
Oh yeah, usiswam olenzile. Pop sockets.
Nice.
And a nice picture, right? Nice picture.
hello, Kay.
Hello.
Hi, Ninjan.
Hi, how are you?
This
My
is
God,
Nkazi.
you're
Hello,
so.
Nkazi.
Oh my, you guys are so
Hello,
cute
Nkazi.
live. Oh my gosh, cute babies. Oh no. Oh
Nkazi,
ma.
okay,
Oh, hello, Kazi and Kay. They're so cute.
Oh my God. Smile, smile. Yes.
To this thing.
Oh my God, no, cute babies. All right, don't want to sendela. Oh, Linda,
This paint is in my buttocks.
the paint is in your box. Who
So
else?
I can see that you guys finally made it to the ground.
And we can see what's in your stashela and
Yeah,
stuff.
so
Yeah.
we just want to ask, how do you feel about today's?
Now. Now we just umnganam. Yeah, wena. Say couscous. Hayi ngeke mfana. Oh yeah. Okay, 1 2 3 go. Okay, sengiqalile.
So we can see that you guys finally made it to the tournament. Let me need director.
Okay,
Usibona isikhoma sadis. Pearl.
Okay, so I can see.
Wow, nice toes, man. Nice toes. Zihle ibhozo beni. Wow. Zoomed in, Charles. Zoomed in. Yazi banga umsendo la? Oh, nang drops. Okay, cards foot. 1 2 3 go. Woo! I did. Okay, 1 2 3 go. Yeah. How? Now and it's over serious.
So we can see that you guys finally made it to the tournament. So I.
Oh! Usifuna isikolo somnganaphi namanga. Awufuna usifuna ubuhle isikolo sakho la. Ubuhle isikolo sakho ngeke usibamba. Ufuna ukuhleka isikolo sakho ngeke ufuna usibamba. Okay, continue. Banga shaya isikolo.
Okay, so Mbamba.
Okay. 1 2 3 go. Yes.
We can see that you guys made it to the tournament. We just want to ask, how do you feel about today's tournament?
We feel proud. Okay. Tricot. Nje.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So we can see that you guys finally made it to the tournament. We just want to ask, how do you feel about today's tournament?
We feel very excited, to support our friends, our school. It's a good feeling.
Yeah.
Live, everywhere's live.
Mzunuklen.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead. Okay, they're back there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
that's
sure.
totally fine. Your feelings are valid. Yeah.
Cut the crap.
Ukhathi usuphelile.
Your feelings are valid.
Okay.
Next time.
Hayi ngeke mfana mbuzo. Casuke kakhulu mfana.
Mbezi.
Ah, saba kabi. Oh, ngenisa uthini. So, khuluma nomuntu lapha.
We are back with part 2 of it.
It feels like a cool shit. Musukuthinta izinqa zami.
Today we have drops. We'll let him introduce himself. drops. Oh no, okay. Ufuna ukukhuluma isiZulu.
Afika.
Ukhuluma isiZulu.
Afika.
Mawumsindo. Mana. Hawu.
Guys, ngisha.
Khuluma. Khuluma. Wow. Ngazi ngicabanga kwenzekeni vele.
Awepho. Asiye isikhathi esiko sokulala striker. Awubuka.
So how you feel? Paphela. That's October.
Okay.
So bese singanaso isikhathi. Sohlalelani? Azile ukuzokhemba la. Hayi. Yaphila. Njani njani zokuduba? Njani? Kanje zokuduba. Usafuna ukuthi ngikuncenge?
Look at me right now.
Get down again.
Oh, when you're wrong, yes. Why you introduce?
Okay. This is Apila, this is Adisa. Apila, I'm in this one. Apila, this is this one. Why fucking
Yeah, it's this one.
Oh, I'm going to say that much.
Ngisaba kabi still nje. Yeah, when. There's so big space.
Oh. SpongeBob. We are here with SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
How?
Why should you not?
Why should I? Just give.
How do you feel about today's tournament? Face the camera.
No feelings.
No feeling.
It is clear today that no one is feeling it. They're just here to support.
Hleze nesikhwama sincimalo. Hleze phethe isikhwama.
So it's nemali.
How?
Yeah, I'm with the trip, brother. Lucky boy.
They're taking pictures. Yes, they're taking pictures. No, ngindelishe mina bahle kakhulu namhlanje. What happened, guys? What happened? Oh, yes, Ngimbambile Andisa ngimtholile.
Nomvelo, why are you so late?
Ow.
No, I came back from the other side.
Other side.
We haven't seen you.
Oh, and you're right, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're under champion.
Netball iwinile shem netball.
Netball, yeah.
Never have airtime.
No, baby, I'm like airtime.
Ikhathi leyo part.
So shy guys, velelo inini unokukhathana. Ningasho lutho, don't say nothing at all. If uzathi uzobheda. How do you feel? Mbuza phela.
How do you feel about today's tournament?
I feel okay.
Oh, finally someone who feels something.
I feel okay, but then the team's progress is
exciting. Yeah. Okay.
Which one? Which team?
Which we have a fan of it.
Oh.
My friend isn't playing.
Uzothi ngikhathe futhi?
Yeah, but yeah.
Oh, you just here to support your friend? Yes, I'm here to support my friends.
Oh, good friend, good friend.
Damn, girl.
Damn, baze bawina kodwa nabe qaleni game. Yeah, use
Euphemism.
yeah, fem language, fem.
Euphemism.
So sekudlaliwe igame and iwinile iGwejubomvu by 1-0. Yeah.
Bebedlala neGwejubomvu.
Yeah, Richard bedlala neGwejubomvu and then yashawa.
No, don't do that.
Say guys.
Oh, you are.
What you think? Oh, we over West. Mshok West yes one. Mop. Number lo. Oh. So sebe uthethiswa. Asebenza kwabuke bethethiswa. Nges-edit ngesifake ingoma sifuna ukuthi nizwe ukuthi niyathethiswa. Oh, now uyafuna question. Ngeke phela singiyini. Oh, Sugala, oh, Baggy, hello, how are you? I got no news of Kalabi. What's your name? Oh. Okay, bye. No, bye lang min. Bye. Wena zinathi shandu. Hayi cha. Ungakazali esikoleni. Uhlekani. Msando ukuhleka. They're not running, they're walking away and
Don't walk away.
don't be shy. Question.
You
know.
Well, look around. Okay, Kuluma.
Seen you in years, you know, it's so good that you're still here to support.
Oh. Umnyama kanjani mubheka?
ngifuna ukushutha nawe.
Cha, ngifuna ukushutha nawe.
Ayithini ngani?
Yesho. Mbuza Andis.
Now Mr. Man.
Ukhathele uyambuka. What the heck? How?
Corre.
No, you must zoom the corner take now. Corner take. You see now. You must zoom.
Thina silali.
How? Uyabuka phela
Awona singena nayo. Hey, sanibasi niyadlala phela.
Yeah, we are making money. They are flipping.
How?
I'm talking about the goal. The goal of the money.
Okay.
Making money, they are sleeping.
They're sleeping on
Oh, we just the mascot. The mascot is so.
No.
He's so, how can I say?
Mascot.
He's so jiving. Yeah, he's so jiving.
The bread.
Yeah, jiving.
The Sasko braid.
We danced with him. We took pictures with him. I feel like a celebrity.
Make me numb.
Ayakho right, Saska.
Ayakho right. How?
Yeah, we're gonna play.
We're gonna
play
play
with
with
the Queen's bird. Yeah.
Oh, okay, good.
Let's hope we don't get out.
Nin.
Second game. 3.
Okay.
3 to 4, I think.
Namhlanje?
We'll
Class.
play again tomorrow.
Oh,
And
okay.
probably Sunday.
Yo.
Imagine you have to wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning.
Yo.
As if now I'm going to school.
Yo.
Yeah. And I lost my shoe, guys. Yo.
You lost your
Not
shoe.
your shoe, my shoe. My school shoe, dog. I don't know what it is.
No, that's serious.
Like, deadass. Like, yo. I think it's my little brother. He lost it. He has a tendency of taking my shoe and hiding it.
Oh, well, dear. No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least the holidays, though.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
That I will. I mean, I'm going to school next week.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes.
We're back at it.
Yes. Hello. Oh yes! Wabondla kini. Ah, bakithi. Usuyobondla kini. Oh, breadwinner. Yes.
Guys, we're here with people. Just gonna do a quick interview, ask them how they feel. Yeah.
Hello guys.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hope you're good.
Afika Pass, the YouTube channel.
No, we like English bundles are splitting right now. Kunini ngikhuluma. No, it's fine.
Oh yes.
So abantu bayangijama ngikhuluma yabo.
Kwayisona uyasibed. Khuluma wena bethu.
Kodwa ke I know my truth.
How
Oh yeah, the pop sockets and stuff. Yeah. So guys, how do you feel about today's tournament? How is it going? You know, how do you feel being a breadwinner? When out pocket,
breadwinner.
Being a breadwinner. I'm so sorry.
Me bahle fan.
Cool. Like, how does it feel being a breadwinner? Why didn't you get a bread?
Why didn't you get a bread?
You were not gonna dance, but I didn't dance and I got one.
One day, so no. No, because we were being friendly to the mascot ever since day one. I'm a breadwinner.
Yeah, guys, so we danced and then we won. These are buns.
Yeah,
And they're the
buns.
ones that I like. I like these soft ones.
Yeah, they are very soft.
Yeah.
So guys, just advertise with Sasko.
Yeah.
Please go and buy white buns from Sasko. They are very soft.
Tasty. What's what? No,
No,
but
but
yeah.
I'm gonna be surprised.
Oh.
You first eat with your eyes.
Exactly.
Oh,
before you
yes.
take your mouth and then swallow. So
Wow.
yeah, you swallow. Yeah.
Yes.
Dirty minded this one.
Oh no, I'm not. Mina. Hey, no. Chips. No.
Yeah, guys. But yeah, it's a very nice tournament. Please come in numbers. Yeah, come and support, guys. Bye.
Oh, what's your name?
My name is Anneli Songalani. I'm in grade 12 at the High School.
Oh, yes. I'm so.
My name is Amile Kumalo. Oh, my name is Amile Kumalo.
My name is Amile Kumar. I will not. How? Oh, yeah. Bye. Hi, let's go for night. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Precious, Lumlin, Winners, Precious, Abangad, Abangad. Let's go, DJ Abs, Installers, Precious, Lumlin, Winners, Precious, Abangad, Abangad. Let's go, DJ Abs.
Oh! Yes, yes! Uphila nayo futhi lento.
Ngivula phela ngikutshela ukuthi iyavuleka.
Ngathi izopha phela nje.
Ngathi umuntu ongazi nje like ngathi umuntu omdala so right. Yo.
Hayi uyafana lento. Ika space manje. Ayiyo sawona. Uthinteni uqamba abantu. Oh, ehambele ifoni ngathi.
So yeah guys, I am back home. But then I am back home. It was a very, very lovely day. Unfortunately, I'm games on Saturday and Sunday. And unfortunately, I won't be able to go there because of things that I need to take care of. So, yeah, this is the end of the vlog. You better me pay so I couldn't take any pictures. I need to buy a power bank. My next goal is to buy a power bank. And then my realist next goal is to buy a camera. Strictly like for vlogging, because I'm trying to go to every time when I come back home, I come back and I just wanna like edit the video and post it same day. So then I'm gonna sit on my charger, which into is yeah, everything's a charger, yeah. It doesn't take the battery. So that's the end of the day. It was very fun. I had so much fun. I saw a lot of people from school and some people from not school. And some people, yeah. Some people from other schools. So it was very fun. Ilona game engiyaziyo kuphela is the netball game, which is about 9-6, and we are 9. The reason why I'm saying we is because we are school, we are together, even though besingadlali nathi, but so I'm saying, like, raising the flag up high. So please, if you are from Richham or any other schools, please just comment down the thing is Indon ama scores. Yeah, so because I'm too lazy to ask people, because for sure, yeah, because the people that I have ama numbers abantu. So yeah, please comment down the scores. Yeah, so hey guys, this is the end of the vlog. It was very nice. I enjoyed. Personally, I enjoyed Nomganami. It was very nice. To be in a different environment, guys, it's very nice. It's very nice. Like, yeah. Actually, we were like, yo, at least. Because, like, it's depressing to be in one place, to be at school, at home. Like, I mean, it's very nice to be at home, but it's very nice staying at home. It's very nice. But different locations are needed. Different locations are needed. Not too good, like, literally every single time. Literally. Because okay, today is not school, but just to refresh. So it was very nice. I enjoyed my first time. Yeah, it was very nice. Mpangeni High is a very big school. I knew it was a big school, but then it's a very big school. It's a very big school. So yeah, stay tuned on the next vlog. Wow, this week's in postel too. Stay tuned on the next vlog. Love you guys so much from deep down. Oh, you winning a sink. But Melis danced actually, but we didn't dance. I think it was because the mascot loved us so much, and Andiswa, to be specific, by it, Andiswa loved the mascot so much. Nama, I did love the mascot because he was active. He or she was active. It was active because it bred. So cheers to that. Cheers to that. And I love the fact to go to Mtandilunganam, because I wouldn't like him or her if so, and they took my YouTube handle. So, hi mascot. If you're seeing this, hi mascot. My friend loved you so much. She loved you so much. So again, yeah guys, bye. Love you.